Hello everyone, welcome to Shiny Johnson Art. Today I'm painting a bird holding a sunflower in its feather. So I'm painting with watercolor, and it's a easy technique and quite simple and easy for beginners to paint. So let's paint a cute bird today. Now let's paint sunflower. Here I am painting with water and then applying lemon color. So little bit of lemon shades first for the first layer, and then applying some more lemon color. And now I am applying some more darker values, and maybe I am using reddish color, but it looks orange after applying on lemon color. So little amount of reddish here and there, that is shades of the petals, lemon and red, and in between applying some brown color, maybe that is for highlighting of the petals, so a little bit yellow. Now let's paint center of the flower. So again lemon color, and one side I am applying brown color, and then the other side I am applying some orange color. So now again let's get back to the bird. So painting beak of the bird with dark coffee color. So again dark color, and now let's paint stem of the flower with sap green color. So here we are done with sunflower, and now next we are painting feather of the bird. So here the bird is holding a sunflower in its feather, and if you are thinking it in a creative way, the bird is holding an umbrella. It is like that, maybe, but it's not an umbrella, it's a sunflower. So the maybe if it starts raining, so it will look like that. So here it's not an umbrella, it's a sunflower. So yeah, here some background birds are there. So birds making noise, maybe it's about to rain, and it suits this background noise of the birds, suits this video of painting this bird. So yeah, so it is good that the bird is responding to my painting. Maybe I don't know how the birds got to know that I'm painting birds, its friends maybe. So now let's paint its tail, so which we have already finished painting. And yeah, so now we have finished with the bird's feather and tail. Now here there's some lines and spots over the bird. Let's paint, which is tiny details. So let's finish with the details of the bird. And now let's paint bird's legs. So just a simple line, and then the leaves of the bird, little more darker values. And now here there's a connectivity between the leg and body of the bird, so let's paint that. And we have almost completed with bird. Just one thing, let's paint bird's eye. So with black pen let's paint its eye. So let's create bird's eye, and here we have completed with this painting, that is painting a bird and a sunflower in its feather with watercolor. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.